Hey entrepreneurs, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips, and in this video I'm speaking about affiliate marketing with a particular focus on WordPress. So what are some of the things you can keep in mind as an affiliate, someone who's trying to make money online, selling or recommending other people's products and services, but specifically using a WordPress website? Well, first and foremost, WordPress is a great platform. It's one of the platforms that I highly recommend creating your website on. And one of the top tips that I can give in terms of affiliate marketing is to actually build your own brand. So brand building is very important when it comes to building the trust of people who are likely to click your link and make a purchase on whatever it is that you are referring. So it's a lot easier to actually make referrals to products and services to people who know, like, and trust you. And a great way to do that is to make sure you have a website that represents your niche and represents your brand in the right way. Now, this is a YouTube channel where I speak about loads of different platforms, from Shopify to Wix to Squarespace. My personal favorite platform though is WordPress. That's the platform that I personally use. So if you are utilizing a WordPress website, you can actually make use of loads of different plugins. So if you do decide to start your affiliate marketing journey utilizing WordPress, then I highly recommend having affordable hosting. So hosting can be pretty expensive when it comes to WordPress, but an affordable company that I have decided to partner with on this YouTube channel is Hostinger. This is what Hostinger will look like when you go to the website. As you can see, they have hosting plans that start from £1.99. And what you want to do is go down here and click on the Get Started button, and it will show you some of their hosting plans that they have available. They have a single web hosting plan, they have a premium web hosting plan, and they have a business web hosting plan. Now with the premium web hosting plan, you can actually get 100 websites. You can get 25,000 visits monthly. You get 100 gigabytes of SSD storage. And as well as that, you get unlimited bandwidth and so much more. So I recommend choosing whichever plan suits you best and then adding that to your cart. And then on checkout, you want to make sure you go down to where it says have a coupon. Click on that and then type in the coupon code SAMDAY as I've left in the description. Click add and you will see a reduction in your total price. And when you've done that, click on submit secure payment. So this is what the inside of Hostinger will look like. It's very user-friendly and very simple. And you want to go down to where it says hosting, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to install WordPress. If you click manage and go down to dashboard, you should actually see an option to install WordPress. And as soon as you click on that, it will take you through the simple process of installing WordPress on your domain. So all you have to do is put your website title, your email address, your username, your password, and click next, and this will install WordPress for you. It will then take you to this section where I recommend keeping the options as the default, and then you can click install. And the process to install won't take long at all, and as soon as it's complete, you'll have WordPress installed on your website. One of the things that I absolutely love about WordPress is the fact that you can basically change the theme of your website, and there are more or less unlimited themes out there that you can actually utilize. You can even in some cases get custom themes made specifically for you that nobody else has. If you do create a website on a platform like Wix or Squarespace, they kind of all look similar, they kind of all look the same, and it's difficult to really create something that stands out and puts you aside from your competition. Whereas if you have a WordPress website, because there's so many different themes that you can actually utilize across your WordPress site, this can really help you to build a strong brand that's separate from other people on the internet. Now, plugins is a really huge feature of WordPress as well. I've done videos in the past where I've spoken about WordPress and recommended plugins, but one plugin that I really think will help you out as an affiliate is one called Pretty Link. Now, Pretty Link is a free plugin that you can install on your site, and what it allows you to do is have your domain refer to a link and an affiliate link. So for example, when you register for affiliate programs, you will have your affiliate link. Now this link is usually really long and lengthy, and it doesn't look really clickable. It doesn't look pleasing to the eye, and sometimes it can look a little bit scammy as well. And it's a difficult link to remember or to reference. So what you can do is copy your affiliate links when you get them from your affiliate programs and paste it into your plugin Pretty Link, and Pretty Link will do exactly what the name is. It will make your link a lot prettier, and it will incorporate your domain. So for example, I'm an affiliate for Hostinger. So whenever I promote the Hostinger packages, I can actually use my Pretty Link, which is DeyTips.com/Hostinger. And that will take people from my Pretty Link and it will redirect them to my Hostinger affiliate link. I'll leave a link in the description down below to Hostinger, where you can actually sign up for discounted hosting for your WordPress. But also when you click that link, I want you to notice how it changes from a Pretty Link to an affiliate link. And you can do the exact same thing as well when promoting your affiliate programs. Now, WordPress is known as a platform that you can actually create really high authority blogs for your business, and blogging is a great way to promote your affiliate products. So I highly recommend creating a blog for your WordPress website and optimizing that blog for search engine optimization. Now, I've done videos on the past on SEO and SEO specifically to WordPress, so I will leave those videos in the description down below. But in the meantime, when you're creating your blog articles, you can actually leave affiliate link banners on the sidebar of your WordPress blog. So this means if people find your content through the search engines, or if you're promoting your content through social media and someone is reading your blog article, you can leave related banners on your sidebar that people can click whilst they're reading your content, and this can drive additional traffic back to your affiliate links and hopefully drive you some sales. But as well as this, you also want to make sure that you embed some of your affiliate links within the content that you produce in your blog articles as well. So this creates multiple ways for people to actually click your links, both through reading the content, maybe it's an anchor text link, and also by clicking on your sidebars. Also, if one of the main ways you're going to use your WordPress site to drive traffic to your affiliate links is by blogging, then I recommend using your blog as your main home page for your content. You can actually do this quickly and easily within WordPress by simply going to your WordPress dashboard and finding settings. Then you want to go to where it says reading and then select where it says home page and simply select the page where your blog is. You want to make sure that you're blogging on a consistent basis so that you're actually attracting more traffic to your WordPress website, and this traffic can lead to affiliate commissions. But you also want to make sure you stay niched. So having a niche is one of the most important aspects to affiliate marketing. If you have too broad a topic, then it's going to be really difficult for you to rank in search engines. And it's also going to be difficult for you to attract an audience that's even going to be interested in the type of content that you are putting out. So do your best to stay niche and blog about as much topics as you can within that niche. You can also create what's known as a lead magnet. I've done videos in the past on creating lead magnets, and this is a great way to help you to build your email list. So what you want to do is not only promote your affiliate links, but also you can create landing pages on WordPress as well. So a landing page could be a simple page where people leave their name and their email address, maybe in return for a free giveaway. This can be access to a newsletter or an ebook or a free course related to whatever your niche is. And when someone enters their name and email address, they are put onto your database. And what happens is you can actually email them on a consistent basis. So maybe they buy from your affiliate link today, but you can also reach out to them again at a later date and promote other affiliate products too. So this is a great way to build up your database of people and to build up your own business as well, and not just referring people directly to another person's company. I'll leave more information about creating landing pages in the description down below, and I will definitely do a video specifically on WordPress landing pages. So make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss when those videos go live. But I also have the formula. This will kind of give you a cohesive strategy that you can utilize to help you to market your affiliate products more effectively online. As you can see, there's a copy next to me. I will also leave a copy somewhere on this screen and in the description down below. So if you haven't grabbed your free copy yet, make sure you do by clicking the link and entering your name and email address and actually consuming the content there, and that should help you to completely transform your affiliate marketing business. But I really do hope that this video brought you value, and if it did, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day. Make sure you download the formula, and I will see you soon.